Okay guys, are you excited for the Super Bowl? Are you excited to see all the great trailers we have coming our way that we've speculated for so many weeks that have been quote-unquote confirmed by various websites? Avengers Infinity War, Han Solo, Deadpool 2. Well, as it turns out, this speculation every year runs rampant, and every year I gotta make a video saying, guys, don't expect all of these because like half of them or none of them have been confirmed. We really don't know what's showing up. I'm still saying we're not even getting Infinity War, we're probably just getting A Wrinkle in Time, but you know, whatever. Anyways, here's the latest development. The big old Super Bowl game involving teams will not, I repeat, will not have a Deadpool 2 Super Bowl ad. This has actually been confirmed by the co-writer of Deadpool 2. But he did say, but don't worry. And we all know that the trailer for Deadpool is going to be attached with the upcoming Black Panther, so it stands to reason that maybe this could be exactly what they're planning. Release it for that, since people are going to go see a comic book movie, and not show it at the Super Bowl, where the numbers are dwindling, people are watching the game less and less, and the trailers are online the moment they air on the Super Bowl, so you don't have to deal with the pesky game. Yeah, that seems much more reasonable to me. And truth be told, this is probably the best way to do it. Why would they want to waste so much money on Deadpool and advertising on the Super Bowl and everything when they really don't need to? I think the movie speaks for itself. I think any of these big hitter movies speak for themselves, and they definitely don't need anything like that. Now granted, it could happen. There could be a moment where it does happen and we're like, oh, okay, but hey, when a writer of the movie confirms it's not happening, let's just take it at face value, right? Did the Packers make it in this year? I like them in NFL 2K1 on Dreamcast. They were my team. Good. Brett Favre.